Good morning, good morning.
It's on 40 in my right car. Business change.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. That was long. Anyway, as you can tell from the title of the video, it says my top 5 favorite things right now. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. But first, I need to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're subscribed, click on that notification bell. Click on it. I insist, click on it so that you get notified whenever I upload my new videos. So let's get to item number 1. Item number 1 is this Arimis petroleum jelly. I love the way it feels on my lips. I love the way it feels on my body. Body so smooth after applying this. And then after I scrub my lips and apply this, lips so smooth. Lips so luscious. Do they say luscious? Yeah. I love this. Love, 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 love this. This is item number 1. Item number 2 is this Siri moisturizing face cream. Let me just give you a backstory of this cream. So we went to my mom's house. She saw our faces, my sister and I, and she was like, "Mbona mko na rashes hivi siku hizi? I'll get you a face cream that will help you with the rashes and the black spots." And true to her words, this face cream has been doing wonders. It's for oily skin. I use this in the morning and in the evening, and I can tell you, skin so smooth. I have only baby powder on my face, but I look like I have applied foundation. That's how great this is. So this favorite item number 2. Favorite item number 3 is this setting spray, makeup setting spray that was gifted to me by my friend. Yeah, I've never actually owned a setting spray before, so she gifted me this and I'm obsessed. After I've applied my baby powder and my highlighter and lipsticks, I spray this on my face, a good one. Love the way it looks after I've applied my makeup and sprayed it. My makeup looks so good. My makeup looks so awesome, for lack of words. Yeah, this is favorite item number 3. Favorite item number 4 is this body lotion. It's written body lotion, but I carry it in my bag as a hand lotion. So if you've watched my what's in my bag video, you've seen this. So whenever I wash my hands out in public, this is what I apply. Whenever I'm ashy on my leg, on my hands, sometimes on my feet, this is what I apply when I'm away from home. So this is favorite item number 4. The last favorite item is moringa. If you've watched my videos, you know that I work out in the morning. So after I work out, I always drink my moringa. And I can tell you, drinking moringa in the morning, applying this on my face, working out, and then drinking 2 liters of water every day, as my face glowing. My face is glowing. I don't need makeup, I don't need foundation to cover anything. My face just looks good, and I'm so happy about that. So those were my top 5 favorite items right now. Just let me know in the comment section what are your favorite items right now. So love you. Let me see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. Bye bye.
You know I hate you since you left me alone.